Hello again. In this video, what I'm going to do is add a plugin to our site. There's over 14,000 plugins, 13,000 plugins, somewhere in that area. There's a lot of plugins that you can add to the site, and each plugin does something different and possibly adds functionality. Like a social widget or something to that effect. Allows you to add YouTube videos in a way you want. A lot of different things. So I'm at my dashboard of the Anouk the dog site, and if I scroll down to my plugins, I can select Add New, and it's going to take me to a search plugins page. I can also upload any commercial plugins that I've purchased. Things like that. So in this case, I know what I want. I've done a little research. I'm going to actually be testing a plugin for a portfolio. So it's kind of it actually works off the custom post types of WordPress. We'll probably get into that a little bit later. It's one of the new features that was released in WordPress 3.0 and has definitely evolved quite a bit. There's a lot of plugins based off of that now. And it's and this plugin is called Web Physiology Portfolio. Why it's called that I do not know, but we may find out in the testing. So here's the plugin. It's a portfolio plugin to provide a clean current look, blah blah blah, all that kind of stuff. If you want to look at the details, you can click on details here. Once you get here, you can actually read the description of this. Again, I've already gone through a lot of this. The ratings, what it is compatible up to. This is important. You want it to be compatible for the version that you are currently using of WordPress, that is. You might even want to know a little bit about the author, see if they've done any other plugins when you do research. You're going to find plugins that don't work well. And if you have a high volume site with quite a few plugins, you really want to start looking at the quality of the plugins if you can. Screenshots, you can actually look and see what this is going to look like. So in this case, I'm going to have a picture to the left, text to the right, and make it super easy to add items as I go. I'm going to kind of be using this for a different functionality than what this is intending. I'm trying to find something that works for my use. So I'm going to go ahead and install. It's going to ask me if I'm sure. I'm going to say yes. It'll install, and excuse me, and very similar to the themes that we did before, it's actually going to ask us to activate that plugin. And as soon as I activate this, because it is a custom post type, I'm expecting something to pop up here on the side, which it does. So I've got now a portfolio plugin. And I'll play with this a little bit and maybe do a review on this down the road to show you what I've put together. But that's how you add a plugin to your WordPress website.